A stands for analyst reports. The worst mistake you can make is not doing your research before investing. Unless you work in finance, you should be relying on the information from the experts in order to make any decision about what stock you're going to buy in the market. This information is available to you in the many analyst reports published, giving information on companies that are trading shares on the US stock exchange. Some of the reports that I found most helpful include those that my brokerage firm provides. Brokerage firms are the ones that allow you to trade equities on the stock exchange, and you will have to open an account if you're looking to invest. The good news is that once you do and just provide the minimum amount, you'll have access to the credible analyst reports that they get from either banks or credit rating agencies. Oftentimes, if you do not go through a brokerage firm, you have to pay for these reports on your own, and they could be very expensive. So I do recommend that you at least put the minimum amount barely that you need to open a brokerage firm, especially if you're not ready to trade yet and don't have all of your research done, and put it into a safe bet like a mutual fund so that you can at least get access to pull the reports and start learning more about the different companies that you're interested in investing in. If you are going to go the route of getting the reports on your own outside of a brokerage firm, then you would want to go to a credit rating agency like Standard & Poor's, which provides really great analysis on where companies lie in terms of their risk assessment. Another place to go is to go to the sites that aggregate and summarize information from a variety of sources. So that includes Yahoo News, that includes Reuters, which is a newswire source, and also news websites like CNBC.